Hey friends, are you ready for a dish that's so delicious even your non-vegan friends will ask for seconds? Well, today I'm sharing my lemon garlic chickpea one-pot pasta, a dish that's bright, zesty, packed with plant-based protein, and comes together in just one pot. And because we need a little something on the side, I'm whipping up the easiest onion chive garlic drop biscuits. They're fluffy, flavorful, and perfect for soaking up that amazing lemon garlic sauce. Trust me, this is a meal that'll have everyone at the table smiling, so let's dive in. For the pasta, we're going to use fettuccine pasta, but you can also swap it out for spaghetti or even penne pasta. And of course, chickpeas for a boost of plant-based protein. Did you know that chickpeas are not only high in protein, but also loaded with fiber and folate? They're a powerhouse ingredient for keeping you full and satisfied. First, we're heating up some olive oil in a large pot. Then in goes our garlic. Oh wow, it smells so good. Nothing beats fresh garlic sauteing. Now we're going to toss in a can of chickpeas. Now don't forget to drain and rinse them first. Add the vegetable broth, pasta, and lemon juice. Please use fresh squeeze. That tangy flavor is what makes this dish so special. The broth is going to absorb into the pasta and create that delicious sauce we're looking for. Cooking everything in the same pot means fewer dishes. Now that the pasta is almost cooked, we're adding a couple handfuls of the kale. It wilts beautifully and adds such a nice texture to this dish. I know kale gets a reputation as a health food, but it is for a good reason. Kale is packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, C, and K, and even calcium. It's also great for your skin and bones, so don't be afraid of that bold flavor. Adding lemon zest will give this dish a pop of brightness. It's like sunshine in your pot. Lemon isn't just a flavor superstar, it's also full of vitamin C, which supports our immune system. And since we're all about making every bite count, this meal checks the health and flavor boxes. While the pasta is finishing up, we're going to make some super easy drop biscuits. No rolling, no cutting, just mix, drop, and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. They're golden, fluffy, and so good. They're perfect as a side or just enjoying them on their own. To finish off the pasta, you can sprinkle red pepper flakes on top for a little heat. And that's it. You've got yourself a meal that's as satisfying as it is simple. If you love this recipe, don't forget to check out my cookbooks. There's something for everyone, whether you're looking for quick meals, plant-based cookies or desserts, or even a 30-day meal plan. I got you covered. And if you want to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee or you can send over a super chat right here on the YouTube channel. And don't stop here. Go check out my other videos in this one pot series right here on the channel for more inspiration. All right, friends, that's it for today. I hope this meal brings as much joy to your table as it does for mine. And if you try it, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. And I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.